Hello students, question number 90 states that select the correct order of acidity from the weakest to strongest for the following compounds. We have to select the right order of acidity for these four compounds. These are the options given to us, and as per the solution manual, the correct answer here is option number 2. Alright, let's take a look at the solution and see why option number 2 is the correct answer for this question. Now, this thing is known to all of us that carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols, and phenols are even more acidic than alcohols. So, on the acidity scale, carboxylic acids are the most acidic, then we have phenols, and then we have alcohols. That makes things a little easy for us because here we have a carboxylic acid, that is structure number 2. Alright, structure number 2 is going to be more acidic than the phenol which is given to us in structure number 3. So we know very easily that structure number 2 is going to be more acidic as compared to structure number 3 because this is a carboxylic acid. You can see the carboxylic group here, COOH, and this is a phenol. So carboxylic acid is more acidic than a phenol. Now the question arises, why is it that structure number 1 is more acidic as compared to structure number 4? Okay, that is the question here, and in order to answer this question, I would like to draw the structure of the conjugate base of these acids. These are alcohols, but as we know, they do behave like acids. So we are going to draw their conjugate base. We will see whichever conjugate base is stable, that is obviously going to be more acidic. Okay. Now when we talk about CH3, CH2OH, that is our good old ethanol. So its structure, the conjugate base structure, is going to be something like this. We are going to have CH3, CH2 and O with a minus charge. This is going to be the case for structure number 4. But when we talk about structure number 1 is 2,2,2 trifluoroethanol. That is the IUPAC name of structure number 1. When we talk about the conjugate base, when H plus leaves, what is left behind is a conjugate base, as we saw over here. So we can create the conjugate base over here by making the following structure. We will have, let's draw it somewhere here. We have C, that is carbon, with 3 fluorines attached to it. Okay. Now this is attached to CH2. So you have 2 hydrogens here, and then you have oxygen with a negative charge. This is the structure for 2,2,2 trifluoroethanol. Now from here H has gone away, so ये जो structure है ये conjugate base का structure है. Over here you can see that we have 3 fluorines, and जैसा कि हम जानते हैं fluorine is the most electronegative element. तो ये fluorine electron को अपने तरफ खींचेगा. It will pull the electron towards itself. Okay, because of which fluorine will get partially negative charge. Fluorine के ऊपर partial negative charge आ जाएगा और जो कार्बन रहेगा उसके ऊपर partial positive charge आ जाएगा. अब एक phenomenon है जिसके बारे में हमने पढ़ा हुआ है जिसका नाम है inductive effect. Because of inductive effect, ये जो कार्बन है जो कि अब थोड़ा सा partially positive हो चुका है, ये इस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को इस तरफ से खींचने की कोशिश करेगा बिकॉज इसका खुद का जो इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड है वो फ्लोरीन की तरफ शिफ्ट हो गया है, ये पार्शियली पॉजिटिव हो गया है. सो इट विल ट्राई टू अट्रैक्ट द अदर इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड एंड शिफ्ट इट टुवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ. ये इसको मिलेगा इस कार्बन से. दिस कार्बन विल शिफ्ट इट्स इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड स्लाइटली टुवर्ड्स दिस कार्बन, राइट, एंड दैट सेम इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट विल कैरी ऑन टुवर्ड्स ऑक्सीजन. यानी कि ऑक्सीजन का ये जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है ये थोड़ा सा इस तरफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगा जस्ट बिकॉज ये फ्लोरीन ने इस इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड को अपनी तरफ खींच के रखा हुआ है. इसके वजह से ये जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है ये हल्का हो जाएगा, ये कम हो जाएगा। क्योंकि ये नेगेटिव चार्ज कम हो गया है, वी कैन से दैट द चार्ज हैज बीन स्टेबलाइज्ड। ओके, सो हियर वी कैन क्लियरली सी कि जो स्ट्रक्चर नंबर 1 है उसका कॉन्जुगेट बेस ज्यादा स्टेबल रहेगा और इसीलिए वो ज्यादा एसिडिक रहेगा। So the correct answer to this question is because of the inductive effect. All right. I hope you understood the solution. Thank you so much for watching.